fantastic 2 bedrooms/2 baths plus den villa located in a very active 55+ gated community. Immaculate, new stainless steel appliances, new water heater, granite countertops, new hardware and kitchen cabinets, renovated bathrooms. Master suite bathroom has a frameless shower door, air conditioner was installed in 2014. 2 sundomes you will love, allowing natural light in and making this unit even brighter inside than other homes. Big walk-in closet in the master suite. Extremely private backyard screened in to enjoy nice relaxing quiet time. Close to shopping, major roads, beaches and so much more. Wall cubicle shelf indent is excluded. All measurements are an approximate. This has to be verified by buyer.